Are you looking to integrate Wheelio with Practice Better but aren't sure where to start? Stick around, because I'm going to walk you through the entire process in under 5 minutes. We'll cover the steps, some potential hiccups you might run into, and I'll share a better alternative that might make this whole process even smoother for you. First things first, if you're using Wheelio for lead generation and Practice Better for managing your clients or students, it's great that you want to make these two work together. The problem here is that there isn't a direct, built-in integration between Wheelio and Practice Better, but don't worry. There's still a way to make it happen. Next thing, let's talk about Zapier. Zapier is a tool that lets you automate workflows between different apps, and this is where the integration magic happens. With a Zapier account, you can connect Wheelio to Practice Better and automate processes like adding new contacts from Wheelio into Practice Better. The setup can take a few minutes, but it's not the smoothest experience. The third thing you'll need is some basic knowledge of both platforms. On Wheelio's side, you'll want to make sure your pop-up is collecting the right info, like email addresses, that you can send over to Practice Better. On Practice Better's side, you'll need to set up the right triggers to accept new leads or contacts. The integration is a bit clunky, and sometimes you have to play around with settings a little bit to get things just right. The fourth thing, don't expect this process to be without its glitches. One of the challenges with this integration is that Wheelio's pop-ups can sometimes fail to fully sync with other platforms if your email settings aren't perfect. If you don't configure it properly, you might end up with missing data or a broken link between your leads and Practice Better. Now, what's really going to make this integration a lot more worthwhile is knowing that while Wheelio and Practice Better have some decent features, there are alternatives out there that are better suited for this type of task. I'm talking about platforms that provide native integrations with each other, saving you the headache of using third-party tools like Zapier. For instance, tools like Insert Competitor Name allow seamless integration, meaning you won't have to jump through hoops or deal with potential bugs. They offer both lead capture and client management all in one place, and trust me, the experience is much more streamlined. The biggest perk? It's not just an integration. The software is built specifically to work together. This makes it so much easier to manage everything from a single dashboard. Plus, they have a great free trial that you can take advantage of today. And finally, as promised, I've got something special for you. If you sign up through the link in the description below, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial to that software, something you won't find elsewhere. So, if you're looking to save time, reduce errors, and streamline your workflow, this is your chance to check it out for free. Don't worry if you're still unsure about making the switch. I've also included a few alternatives that I think could work even better for your needs. Go ahead, check them out, and let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching!